Welcome back to Good Things Utah, everybody. Kelly Vance joining us now from LaBelleVie Medical Care and Aesthetics, located in Draper. And if you've not heard of LaBelleVie before, Kelly, what services do you offer?
So we offer a wide range of services, from Botox to fillers, the FemiLift, the O-Shot. The FemiLift has been really gratifying to help women with pain, infection, incontinence. And then we've added the O-Shot, which has been a great addition to the FemiLift, to help with incontinence and also increase sensitivity.
Oh my gosh, I've been hearing a lot about the O-Shot, and a lot of people here like having great results with it.
It is a fabulous procedure, especially for women that have bad urinary incontinence. After completion of the FemiLift, just to do that O-Shot is great.
Well, if you've had a baby, you know what we're talking about, right?
Right.
Right. All right. What's your favorite procedure? I know you do so many things, but there's one that we've been talking about this morning in particular that you really love.
I do. So I think it's really helpful and gratifying for me to address the feminine health, but probably my favorite procedure is the total facial reinflation.
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 Okay, so we have some pictures that we're going to show you guys.
Yes.
What does this mean? What is this procedure?
So,
oh, wow. I'm sorry. What just happened?
The before and after is
Oh
incredible.
my gosh, that is amazing.
So if you look at her before picture, she's lost a lot of volume in her cheeks. She has great cheekbones, but she's lost a lot of volume in her cheeks, causing the lines around her mouth. She's also lost volume in her forehead, and her eyes are really droopy. So what we did was we did a forehead lift using a special technique that I use, and we lifted her eyebrows, brightened up her eyes, and then we added some volume to her cheeks, softened her lines. We just lined her lips so they're nice and soft, and you can see she looks really refreshed and beautiful.
Kelly, is this with surgery? Is it with injectables?
This is injectables.
Wow.
Really?
Yes.
So when you say a brow lift, or a forehead lift, I'm sorry, you're not going under the knife. This is just a technique that you have mastered without it.
Is.
Wow.
Right,
It
we're
is.
looking at another before and after picture. What did you do here?
So if you look at the before picture, she's lost a lot of volume, and she has pretty bad bags under her eyes. She really thought the only option for her was surgery. So what we did was she had a total facial reinflation. We addressed the lost volume in her cheeks. We lined her lips, and I addressed her the bags under her eyes with a cannula. So we kind of filled that in,
Well, she
softened
looks
that.
tired in the
She
before
looks
picture
tired.
and just refreshed.
Yes.
In the
That's what
after.
I love is
Yes.
she looks like herself still.
Yes, she does. And then a week later, she came into the clinic, and she looked just beautiful and refreshed.
What is it about women and the volume in our face? At what age does it start to slip away?
You know, it varies with women, but usually about 35 to 40, you start losing volume in your cheeks, and then the people start noticing lines.
Yeah.
Right
How come
here.
I'm keeping the volume other places?
I know, right? Why is the
leaving
volume
my
merging
face?
towards, yeah. Well, this is what I love. We were talking during the break, and you are so particular about measurements. You have something called the golden rule that I want to have you share with everyone.
Right. So at LaBelleVie, we use the beautification program, and so we carefully measure every face to make sure that it's within proportion and harmony. We never overdone. We want you to look just like you.
Yeah, so she
Just to
goes through and
refresh.
she literally measures, like, okay, so this should be here and that should be there and this should be that, and it's all, I mean, we're talking about Angelina Jolie.
Right.
And it's her symmetry that makes it so beautiful.
Right.
But
Right.
your goal in doing faces is to have symmetry or to make you look like you?
You always want to look like you, just a refreshed version of you. We don't want to change who you look like. We want you, because you're beautiful who you are, right?
It's just amazing that there's these products now that you can utilize
Right.
that really take off years without it being this drastic procedure where you have to go under the knife and all this stuff.
They're
Right.
doing free consultations right now at LaBelleVie. So if you need more information, their website's on your screen along with the phone number 801-987-8384. And again, they do so many different procedures, but I love that Kelly shared her favorite with us today.
my
Thank
gosh.
you, Kelly.
Thank you.
Oh, and you offer Belle too. I love that one
Yes.
too.
Belle
Such
is
great
great.
stuff. Thank you so much for being
Oh,
here.
thank you for having me.
Speaking of volume, going to different